The tools needed to replace a mower deck belt are the appropriate size wrench or socket set, gloves, and safety glasses. The most important thing is to position the tractor on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Next, remove the ignition key from the switch and disengage the mower engagement lever. Lower the attachment lift lever to its lowest position. Clean all loose debris from the belt and deck area. Most tractors have a decal located on the deck. This label will show you the routing of the belt on the mower deck. If there are mandrel pulley guards on your tractor, you must remove them. Some tractors may have 1 or 2 guards, while others may have none. Next, remove the belt from the engine pulley and engine pulley belt guides. Then, remove the belt from all the idler pulleys. Last, remove the belt from all the mandrel pulleys. To reinstall the mower deck belt, first install the belt around both mandrel pulleys. Next, install the belt around the idler pulleys. Note, for proper traction operation, ensure that the belt is installed between the idler pulley and the guide, and between the mandrel pulley and the guide. Install the belt around the engine pulley and through both engine pulley guides. Engage the mower belt to make it easier to check the routing and the belt guide positions. Carefully check that the belt is not rubbing against any belt guides or any other surfaces that can damage the belt. Note, if the tractor has an electric clutch, there is no option to engage the mower belt to check the routing. This belt, when installed, is always under tension. Review the decal on the deck to verify the proper belt routing to ensure that the belt and the belt guides are in the correct positions. If the mower has mandrel pulley belt guards, reinstall the guards. Disengage the mower deck and raise the mower to the transport position. Now, your tractor is ready for safe operation. To find the right part for this and other do-it-yourself repairs, visit SearsPartsDirect.com or call Sears PartsDirect toll-free at 1-888-206-3622. If you prefer to have a technician complete this repair, you can schedule service by calling 1-800-349-5072.